We build our world. Do you ever wonder how some people grow greener grass in the metaphorical pastures of their life? Like me, do you ask exactly how they do this? And like me, do you ask how to learn their recipe for success? Well, after many years, I discovered the answer. For centuries, successful people use their thoughts in very specific ways in a continual process that attracts money. But for the biggest question, how do we become one of these highly successful people? How can we talk about successful people no longer in terms of they, but in terms of we? Let's explore exactly how. We'll unpack the exact steps, the secret sauce used by the high achievers, and translate it into a practical plan for you. No more wondering, no more feeling left out. This is your invitation to join the we side of the equation, to create a life overflowing with the abundance you deserve. The truth is, there's no magic spell, but there is a powerful tool we all possess that can unlock the door to abundance: our minds. For centuries, successful people have harnessed the power of thought to attract wealth. They've developed specific methods to cultivate an inner garden of prosperity, and guess what? It's not a secret anymore. So, are you ready to unlock your inner money magnet? Are you ready to finally bridge the gap between desire and reality? If you're even the slightest bit curious, even if a tiny part of you whispers, maybe this could be different, then stay tuned. Because in the next few minutes, you're about to embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom, the freedom to afford both your needs and wants. So, are you ready to unlock your inner money magnet? Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Step 1. Transforming scarcity into abundance. All right, friends, let's dive into the first step of unlocking your inner money magnet, shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Now, this might sound a little woo-woo, but hear me out. What you focus on expands. So, if your mind is constantly dwelling on lack, on bills and limitations, you're essentially sending out a message to the universe that says, hey, more of this, please. Not exactly the prosperity vibe we're aiming for, right? Instead, we need to cultivate a mindset of abundance. This doesn't mean ignoring your current financial situation, but rather choosing to see it as a stepping stone, not a dead end. Imagine your bank account as a beautiful garden. Right now, it might have some bare patches, but the potential for growth is limitless. So, how do we nurture that potential? Firstly, gratitude is key. Take a moment each day to appreciate the abundance already present in your life, big or small. A warm roof over your head, the laughter of loved ones, the deliciousness of your morning coffee. These are all blessings. Cultivating this sense of gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have, sending a powerful message of abundance to the universe. Secondly, visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream financial life. Picture yourself achieving your goals, feeling secure and fulfilled. Let the details come alive, the feeling of freedom, the joy of generosity, the peace of mind that comes with financial security. This visualization exercise isn't just wishful thinking. It's planting seeds of possibility in your subconscious mind. Third, affirmations are your secret weapon. Repeating positive statements about your worth and financial potential can reprogram limiting beliefs and create a powerful belief system. Phrases like, I am worthy of abundance, money flows freely to me, or I am a magnet for prosperity might sound simple, but they have the power to shift your inner narrative and attract opportunities you never imagined. Remember, this is just the first step on your journey to financial freedom. But by changing your mindset from scarcity to abundance, you're laying a foundation for success. So go forth, cultivate gratitude, visualize your dreams, and repeat those affirmations like a mantra. Let's turn those metaphorical gardens into flourishing fields together. Step 2. Goal setting with the magic touch. Money magnets, we've planted the seeds of abundance with a mindset shift, and now it's time to give them some direction with Step 2. Goal setting with the magic touch. Remember, Our thoughts are powerful attractors, but without clear intentions, they can flutter aimlessly like butterflies. So, how do we set goals that resonate with the universe and draw prosperity our way? Firstly, dream big, but be specific. Don't just say, "I want more money." Ask yourself, what does financial freedom truly mean to me? Is it retiring early, traveling the world, starting a business, or achieving financial security for your family? Be specific. Paint a vivid picture in your mind and write it down. Clear goals have power. Secondly, break it down. Reaching that dream might seem like a mountain to climb, so let's make it an enjoyable hike. Divide your big goal into smaller, achievable milestones. Think of them as stepping stones, each one bringing you closer to the summit. Celebrate each conquered milestone, no matter how small, to keep your momentum going. Thirdly, align your goals with your values. Is your dream car worth sacrificing time with loved ones? Does that fancy new gadget truly spark joy, or is it just keeping up with the Joneses? Make sure your goals reflect your deepest values and desires. True abundance isn't just about the numbers in your bank account, it's about living a life that feels fulfilling and authentic. Now, here's the magic touch. Infuse your goals with positive emotions. When you set a goal, visualize yourself achieving it. Feel the joy, the excitement, the sense of accomplishment. These positive emotions act like fuel, propelling your thoughts towards manifestation. Remember, goal setting is an ongoing process. Life throws curveballs, so be flexible and adjust your goals as needed. But never lose sight of that powerful vision you created. Let it guide your decisions, ignite your actions, and attract the abundance you deserve. Step 3. Aligned action. Where magic meets momentum. We've planted the seeds of abundance with a mindset shift, given them direction with clear goals, and now it's time to watch them blossom with Step 3. Aligned action. Remember, thoughts are powerful attractors, but without action, they're just pretty clouds in the sky. So, how do we take inspired action that fuels our financial dreams? Firstly, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with drastic changes. Begin with micro actions that align with your goals. Maybe it's researching a new business idea, setting up a budget tracker, or saying no to unnecessary expenses. Every small step forward builds momentum and strengthens your belief in your ability to achieve. Secondly, focus on progress, not perfection. The journey to financial freedom isn't a straight line. It's a winding path with bumps and detours. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and learn from your setbacks. Remember, every step, even the missteps, teaches you and brings you closer to your destination. Thirdly, infuse your actions with gratitude. As you take steps towards your goals, express gratitude for the opportunities, resources, and people supporting you. This appreciation fuels positive energy and attracts even more abundance your way. Remember, the universe loves a grateful heart. And now, the magic touch. Act with intention and purpose. Align your actions with your values and goals. Ask yourself, does this action move me closer to my vision of financial freedom? If not, course correct and choose something that resonates with your deeper desires. Remember, aligned action is powerful action. Taking aligned action doesn't mean working yourself to the bone. It's about making conscious choices, finding joy in the process, and celebrating your progress along the way. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. So have fun, experiment, and trust that every step you take is bringing you closer to your financial dreams. Step 4. Gratitude and generosity, the secret ingredients. We've planted the seeds, nurtured them with goals, taken action with intention, and now it's time to unlock the final secret ingredient: gratitude and generosity. Remember, abundance isn't just about receiving, it's about a beautiful flow of energy. So, how do we cultivate this flow and attract even more prosperity into our lives? Remember, the law of attraction isn't just about taking. It's about creating a harmonious flow of energy, and gratitude and generosity are the cornerstones of that flow. By expressing appreciation for what you already have, you signal to the universe that you're open to receiving more. And by giving freely, you create space for even greater abundance to enter your life. So how do we integrate these powerful principles into our lives? Firstly, cultivate a daily gratitude practice. Take a few minutes each day to acknowledge the blessings in your life, big or small. A delicious meal, a supportive friend, a warm sunrise. These are all gifts to be cherished. Keep a gratitude journal, express appreciation to loved ones, or simply pause throughout the day to say thank you for the abundance that surrounds you. Secondly, embrace generosity. Remember, giving isn't just about donating money. It's about sharing your time, talents, and resources with others. Volunteer your skills, offer a helping hand, or simply share a kind word. When you give freely, you create a ripple effect of positivity that attracts abundance back to you. And now, the magic touch. Combine gratitude and generosity with visualization. As you express appreciation or extend kindness, visualize yourself surrounded by even greater abundance. See yourself achieving your financial goals, feeling secure and fulfilled. This powerful combination amplifies your intentions and sends a clear message to the universe. I am grateful for what I have, and I am open to receiving more. Remember, this journey is ongoing. There will be times when doubts creep in or setbacks occur. But don't lose sight of the fundamental principles. Cultivate gratitude, practice generosity, and trust that the universe is conspiring for your good. True wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about living a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. And the key to unlocking that abundance lies within you. Go forth, cultivate gratitude, embrace generosity, and watch your dreams blossom into reality. And there you have it, friends. We've explored the 4 powerful steps to using thought to attract money, and I hope we re-energized your journey to financial freedom. Remember the 4 key steps. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, setting clear goals, taking aligned action, and embracing the power of gratitude and generosity. As you move forward, remember that you're not alone. Here at Better World Zone, we provide valuable insights to accelerate your pathway to success. So, hit the like button. Also, leave a comment about how you want to apply these principles of success in your life. Every like and constructive comment helps to empower others to recognize additional opportunities in their lives. But wait, there's more. To truly unlock the magic of manifestation, subscribe to Better World Zone to receive notifications of Better World Zone's new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel you on your journey to greater abundance and success. Remember, the power to attract abundance lies within you. Embrace the journey, take action with intention, and let's cultivate it together, one empowered step at a time.